Hello everybody, how are you doing? Welcome to our channel Salsa and Bachata Moves, where we break down salsa and bachata moves. I'm Alexandros, with me is Andrea from the Island of Cyprus, and today we have an advanced little head roll on another level, as I like to call it. Now this video will be with music. If you like the lesson for it, and I would advise you to watch it, it's going to be here in the info cards and the first link in the description. And I advise you to watch it because could be a dangerous move for the lady's neck. If she's a beginner, not used to head rolls, do not do that with the lady, guys. And guys, you have to be very soft and use the force of the rotational adios that we're going to be doing and teaching on that video in order not to provoke a lot of pain to the lady's neck. So make sure first you are aware of the regular dips and head rolls, and then come to this one. Let's go to music and see what we're talking about. Just a little side notice at the end. Once again, remember, this is an advanced move. Be careful of your lady's neck. Don't do a permanent damage. And I have a little surprise video clip where we did this in a show. It's not the best quality, but I think you're going to get the picture. Here it is.